In this video, I'll show you how to turn a normal link in Joomla into a tracked link. Then I'll show you exactly what data gets recorded when someone clicks it. To do this, I'll use a tool called ClickMagick. If you want to follow along, you can use the link in the description to get a 14-day free trial. Let's get started. For this walkthrough, I am using my WordPress demo page to control the button. The destination is a Joomla service page. So the button is edited in WordPress, and Joomla is where the visitor lands after clicking. First, I will open the WordPress demo page. Here is the Joomla button I want to track. Right now, this button uses a normal direct link. It can send visitors to the Joomla page, but it does not give me a clear ClickMagick report for this specific button. Next, I will open the Joomla service page in a new tab. This is the destination page visitors should reach. I will copy that direct link so I can use it inside ClickMagick. Now I will open ClickMagick and create a new tracking link. For the link name, I will use Joomla Service Demo. Then I will paste the Joomla service page link into the destination field. This tells ClickMagick where to send the visitor after the click is recorded. After that, I will save the tracking link. ClickMagick creates a new tracking link for this Joomla destination. I will copy the tracking link and return to the WordPress editor. Now I will select the Joomla button on the WordPress demo page. I will replace the old direct Joomla link with the ClickMagick tracking link. The button text stays the same. The page still looks the same to the visitor. Only the link behind the button has changed. Now I will update the WordPress page and open the live version. I will click the Joomla button once to create a test click. The same Joomla service page opens, so the destination is still correct. Now I will go back to ClickMagick and refresh the Smart Links report. The test click appears in the report. This lets me see how many clicks this Joomla link is getting. The main report shows total clicks, unique clicks, flagged clicks, cost, revenue, net profit, cost per click, earnings per click, and return on investment. Inside the click details, I can also review the clicks per day chart, link view, referrer, sub ID 1, unique click status, IP address, country flag, and timestamp. Now the Joomla button on my WordPress demo page gives me clear click data inside ClickMagick. I hope this helped. Try ClickMagick for yourself using the link below. You'll get a 14-day free trial.